And I always do it big because I can. Do it big because I can.
Hey, how are you doing today?
I'm doing good.
What time did you wake up?
I woke up at 4. I slept at 3:30.
Okay, and what song represents your mood right now?
Ooh, it's quite an eclectic mix that's going on in my head. So we're here for the Mashion birthday shoot. Mashion is turning 6, getting older. We're doing this along with Dubai Tourism, and we'll be shooting at Cloud 22. I've heard lots about it. I've never been, so I'm very excited to go. I've seen some pictures. I've had friends go there, and I've heard it's amazing. And supposedly I'm gonna go not underwater, but I'll be submerged in water, which is great because it's hot.
Can you tell us about the inspiration behind your look?
We're channeling luxury and glamour. I know what we're channeling. We're channeling quiet luxury.
Slow living.
Slow living, quiet luxury.
With bling.
It's not bling. Oh yeah, there's some that's bling, yeah.
Okay, can you quickly introduce us to your glam squad?
Yeah, this is Mubashir.
Hello.
Manika, the stylist. So he's doing hair and makeup. She's doing the styling. She's come all the way from Bombay. And the rest is my Mashion team. And Chintan, of course. Say hi, Chintan.
Hello.
So we're starting off with the Ralph and Russo. It's a classic white, clean look. Something I think that represents Mahira. And then we move to something blingy, something that represents Dubai. Today, Mahira's wearing an Elizabetta Frenchie paired with Ganji. So we're doing a mix of couture and street style.
There are some diamond pieces. Here we go. There's rings, there's crystals. We have Swarovski.
How did you get this camera?
Hey, Mahira, we love your look for today. Mahira, how are you feeling today?
Good. It's the last day.
How is your outfit making you feel?
Outfit is making me feel like I need to be on stage and break out in some moves, you know?
What do you want from me? Are you trying to get me back or just bad memories? What do you want from me? You can buy my love with all your treasuries. Oh, you think that you're alright, and you think that you care. Another day, another fight.
Mahira, are we done for the day?
Yeah.
It's a wrap!
How do I end this then? Then should I
Just
do like...
press the red button again.